What is it?
Give me food. Give me food. Food. Ah. Felicia, give me food.
Isaac. I'll not tolerate this. What's the meaning of this rubbish?
Give me food now. Give me food.
Why are you following me around?
Why would I follow you around? You lock the kitchen. And you cook everything. Then you cook rice. You cook beans. And you cook everything. Oh, give me food. Give me food. I want shop. I can have everything, but not hunger. When we have food, you don't want to give me food.
I told you you're a tiger. Tigers do cry.
Tigers cry when they don't see food.
Eh?
Give me food.
You're a tigress, not a tiger.
Don't give me food. Don't give me food. Yeah, call me anything nonsense.
Every
don't
time
give me food.
you be doing as if you are the boss. You are the boss. See where it has landed you. Finally, you knelt down for me.
Don't give me food. Don't give me food now. Give me
Isaac, you. Am I dreaming? You kneel down for me.
Don't give me food. Food. Let me chop.
No food for a lazy man.
I am lazy. I am stupid. Don't give me food. Food keep the body and soul together.
All lazy people do die of hunger.
Food keep body and soul together. You want to remove one now. Give me food. Let my body and soul be together.
It's better for the body to die, so to still be.
Give me food. Felicia, give me food.
I should give you food.
Give me food.
Give me one reason why I should give you food, Isaac.
Because if you don't give me food, I will tell Uncle that you are starving me. You want me to die of hunger.
Should I call Uncle? Should I call
Don't give me food though.
You are threatening me.
Give me food.
I should give you food. You will tell Uncle. I'm not giving you food. Tell Uncle.
Please now. Give me food.
You can say please.
You give me food. You give me food. You give me food.
It's okay. Stop disturbing my peace. I will give you food.
Oh, yeah, give me now.
I eat more first.
I'm not eating. Give me food.
I'll give you food only on one condition.
Even if any condition, anything at all, just give me food. Let me chop first now.
You're shaking your body for me. I will change my mind now.
Give me food.
If you are ready to eat, come and meet me upstairs.
It's food upstairs there. You love the kitchen.
If you are not ready to eat, you continue to eat. If you are ready, come on. Don't keep me waiting, be fast, otherwise I will change my mind.
Give me food now. Give me food now. Give me food now. Eh? You want to separate my soul from my body? Give me food now. My job is like this, crying for food. You can't still understand. Give me food now. Give me food. Give me food.
What is it?
Give me food.
I should give you food. Are you ready?
I am ready. Just give me food.
Are you sure?
Give me food.
Sign here. Why are you looking at me like that? Sign there. So that you're not even reading this thing, you're signing. I don't want to hear stories, so.
Don't give me food.
Sign there. Give it. Thank you, Lado. Go and serve yourself.
Where did you put the kitchen key?
Under the carpet.
So it has been under the carpet since.
You want to beat me? You allow me to change my mind now. So how can I actually make a good old man behave like a child? Give me food. Give me food.
Show tonight, we clean the show tonight. We clean the show tonight. Oh. I can still manage this one. We clean the show tonight. We clean the show.
Isaac,
Felicia.
have you eaten?
Yes, I've eaten. I've eaten. You will not be hungry. I took 5 minutes.
No, what is not the problem, Abeg?
Abi? Aye, food. Food is very good or very essential.
This one you are dressing up, where are you going to?
My friend called me that I should meet at Jokers. It's a nightclub.
Who is spending the money?
Do I have money to spend? No, Uncle has not given me this week's allowance.
Better. But are you sure? Oh.
Very nice.
Are you sure it will be possible for you to still go out?
Yeah, why not? Very, very possible. You can see I'm dressing.
I can see, but how possible is that?
Once I finish dressing, I will borrow transport from you people.
Sorry to disappoint you. You can't step your feet out of this house, so sorry.
Huh?
Eh?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand?
What you just said, you said, sorry to disappoint you, you can't step your feet out of this house.
Okay, let me make you understand. You remember the agreement you signed this morning?
And that I want to eat.
And you want to eat. God bless you. You just made me in charge of everything in this house, so with the agreement you signed. You know, your signature is on it. So you made me the boss of the house. So therefore, Koma, I decide on what you do in this house. I decide on when you eat. I decide on if you are going to go out or not. I decide on everything. In fact, I'm in charge of it from today and so.
That is where I don't understand.
That is where you don't understand.
That paper that I signed, all these things are inside.
Yes.
And you made me sign it today.
Did I force you to sign it?
Eh?
Did I force you, IC?
You gave me the paper to sign.
I gave you the paper, so did I force you? Why didn't you go through the paper? Why didn't you read it?
Felicia, so all these things that you are saying is inside that thing that I signed?
Yes, because they say a hungry man is a man without choice. So you had no choice at that moment. You had to sign the agreement and you ate.
And you think I will keep to that agreement?
Why won't you keep to the agreement?
If I don't keep to it, what will you do?
It is stated that if you violate the law, then I will involve the police and you'll be arrested.
Because of food. And it's not even porridge. Hey? If you see how many porridge is or hate for that bride price, and you are already collecting mine with just about 5 minutes. Felicia? Because I am now vulnerable, you want to take advantage of me.
Isaac, whether you like it or not, the deal has been signed. So you have to abide by it. Or I will involve the police.
So I cannot go out.
You can never go out.
I will be taking permission from you.
Yes.
To do anything.
As the new boss.
In this house.
Boss Lisha. Turn by turn. It is my turn. Bye-bye. I've locked the door. You cannot move out. Sorry. When you're done, come upstairs.
Wait, I still don't understand.
You better understand.
Just paper. You said I should sign if I want to eat. I signed because I want to eat. A hungry man is a vulnerable man.